no headaches, no shipping and handling. And the best part is it can sell many times as possible. Today, I will show you 5 digital products you can sell to make money online starting today. I'm so excited. I will also share with you some sweet bonus tips that you will not want to miss. Okay, so listen till the end. If making money is your cup of tea, then please subscribe to my channel. Okay, guys, let's get into the video. The first product is Christmas printable planners. Okay, guys, so I did a research for Christmas planners printable, so you can search Christmas printable planners, whichever one is best for you. And I came across this one. I actually like to look for the best sellers or the most popular. Okay, so if you look at this Christmas planner here, you can use that as a template to create your own. Etsy Hunt is what I'm using as my search tool. And as you can see, the total sales here has been 230, and in the past 7 days, this planner was sold 7 times. Okay, yes, the price that is being sold for is not that high, but you don't have to price yours so low. You know, you can add more value and increase the price. Okay, so the point in looking at this is to make yours better, not the same. Of course, you should go into the description to see, you know, all the details and everything else that is being offered with this planner, and it's quite a lot. Okay, and you can look at the sizing. You'll want to offer the same size variation. Okay, so guys, in doing my research, I came across this digital planner here. So this is also something downloadable. You'll have to download for GoodNotes or your Notable, you know. And this planner is being sold for $10.58, right? And it was sold 13,000 times. Well, over 13,462 times. And in the past 7 days, this planner was sold 47 times. Guys, if I were you, I will go and learn GoodNotes right now and learn creating planners. As you can see, the feedback here is really awesome. So this is just another idea of planners that you can create now. Okay, so this is the time of year planners will be selling. Item number 2, we have Christmas wine labels, and these are definitely a hot seller, guys. These are beautiful and can be personalized as well. Okay, so you need to keep that in mind. Okay, guys, so next we have Christmas wine labels, and I would like to jump to this one because I already did the research. We have Elf Piss, okay, and yeah, this one's a bit funny. Let us look at the details here. This is a bestseller, and other people has this in cart. Over 20 people have this in cart, sorry. And this product was sold 1,580 times. And in the last 7 days, it was sold 79 times. Okay, so you can create something similar to this to sell in your own stores. If you're going to start your business around Christmas, then selling printables and these other items, then you probably could think about adding these items to your store. So let us just look at the store for a minute. It only has 58 items, and total sales was 8,601, and weekly sales are 284. Okay, so this store is doing great. Look at the number of persons who have these items in their cart. Over 20 people have this in their cart. Right, so this store is doing pretty good, you know. So this is something you can actually. Next product, we have Christmas games. So families often like to play games when they are gathered together around the Christmas season. Okay, guys, so let us look at the Christmas games. And I like to look at Popular Now. And this one here, it was sold how many times? 228 times in total, and 11 times in the past 7 days. So this game seems to be a pretty simple game that you can easily recreate yourself. It's been sold for $5. And the listing is not that old. Only last year, November, this was posted, as you can see. And let us just scroll through here. It is a song game, and this is something you can easily recreate in Canva. The next item is holiday printable recipe card. This listing here is 2 years old, and it was sold 723 times in total, and in the past 7 days it was sold 2 times. Okay, but I think what is so I guess attractive about this is because it's very simple and persons can easily insert their recipes on this template, and it is pretty affordable, as you can see here. I will also like to look at this bestseller. This is another simple style, minimalist style, but you can also use the Christmas theme for that as well. And this was sold 572 times, and the listing is only 1 year old. The next product we have is holiday printable party invitations. So this party invitation that we are looking at here is very simple and clean, very minimal design style. And as you can see, this shop is a star seller, and the number of sales was 82 sales, and that post was only done in October last year. So the listing is 1 year old, and I think 82 sales for just one item is very good, considering that this is a seasonal item. And the past 7 days it was sold once, but I'm sure the sales will ramp up. Okay, so this is what the invitation looks like. It's very simple and clean, and persons can easily insert the information on this. As you can see, they're showing you how easy it is to make the change. This template is being sold with editable software that is called Templates. Yes, and you can actually use that same template to edit your information on the card. So you will not be able to change the picture, only the information. If this information was helpful to you guys, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I have some quick bonus tips for you guys, so you can actually create your own item with ease. So this is how you can create these printable items that I've just shown you for yourself. Okay, you can easily create all of these items using Canva, and you can get your graphics either from Creative Market or Creative Fabrica. Okay, so if you've noticed, most of the listings has some sort of moving element or video in the listings. These can easily be created in Canva as well. So some of the markups are very fancy, and you can also create this in Canva or place it as well. Okay, so where can you sell your products? So you can sell your products on Etsy, you can sell it on your own website, or you can sell on, if you have your own website, then you should use Pinterest. You should create a Pinterest shop as well. Okay, so you can sell on your own website, and if you have your website, then you should create a Pinterest shop as well. You can also sell on Creative Fabrica and Creative Bundles, I think that's the name. Guys, we often overlook the power and wonders of Pinterest. Why not, focus on your Pinterest shop and try to push your products through Pinterest. Okay, do you want to know how you can make passive income selling digital invitations? Then you should click on this video right here. Okay, bye.